In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Instagram puzzle feed in Canva. If you want to elevate your Instagram grid with a seamless, visually striking design, you're in the right place. A puzzle feed is a creative way to display your content, ensuring your profile stands out and keeps your audience engaged from the moment they land on your page. Let's dive in and explore how you can create this captivating design using Canva in just a few minutes. First, head over to Canva and log in. Once you're on the homepage, type Instagram puzzle feed into the search bar. This will bring up a collection of pre-designed templates specifically made for creating puzzle feeds. These templates are a fantastic shortcut to achieving a professional look without starting completely from scratch. Now, browse through the options. You'll see a variety of styles, from minimalist and chic to vibrant and artistic. Take your time to find a template that resonates with your brand's aesthetic and conveys the message you want to share with your followers. Once you find the perfect match, click on it to begin customizing. Next, click Customize this template to open the design in Canva's intuitive editor. You'll notice the template is divided into sections, carefully designed to align perfectly when uploaded onto your Instagram grid. This makes planning and visualizing your feed much easier. It's time to personalize your puzzle feed by adding your own images and branding. Click on the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen to upload photos from your device. If you've uploaded images before, they'll already be accessible here. To replace an image in the template, simply drag your photo and drop it onto the placeholder. Canva will automatically resize and crop it to fit perfectly. As you customize, experiment with text, fonts, and colors to reflect your brand's identity. Remember, consistency is key. This will help your feed look cohesive and professional. Take advantage of Canva's elements, stickers, and shapes to enhance your design and make your puzzle feed truly unique. Once you're happy with your design, preview it to ensure all sections align properly. Finally, it's time to download. Canva offers multiple file formats, but for Instagram, a high-resolution PNG usually works best. Save each section individually, starting from the bottom right and moving left and up. This ensures your feed uploads correctly and maintains the puzzle effect. And there you have it, your very own Instagram puzzle feed. With this stunning layout, you'll captivate your audience, give your profile a creative edge, and showcase your content in a visually impressive way. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing.